And over in St. Ann Northwest, political analysts are keeping a close eye on the seat. This as a third candidate who was once closely aligned to the PNP is seeking to represent the constituency in Parliament. O'Shane Masters reports.
The People's National Party, PNP, has won the St. Ann Northwest seat on more occasions than the JLP has. Since the seat was first contested in 1962, the JLP has won on 4 occasions: 1980 with Princess Laws, 2002 with Verna Parchment, and 2007 with Othniel Lawrence. The party also took the seat in 1983 when the PNP boycotted the general election. But the Jamaica Labour Party's caretaker for the constituency, Crystal Lee, is adamant she will take the seat from the PNP's Dr. Dayton Campbell.
I see myself definitely winning the seat and bringing it home.
She says this is evident as some constituents are not pleased with the representation from the two-term MP.
And I'm not seeing that work and effort from the Member of Parliament. We're seeing roads where the conditions are very bad, and I'm not seeing that as well. I'm not seeing where the effort is being placed to build the communities and work with the people.
We've always been putting in work. When we look at the politics, it's all about the organization of the constituency, which we've always been focused on. Throughout the term when they were targeting, we were also targeting the constituency.
But there seems to be trouble in the PNP camp, as one of its supporters has broken ranks with the party. Businessman Peter Shan says he too is not satisfied with the representation of Dr. Campbell. He says the MP has not been vocal in taking the plight of the people to Parliament.
When you go around and listen to the farmers' plight, I tell you, it's appalling. Fertilizers, seeds, these are the things that they need. When you think of the COVID, if we don't try to feed ourselves at this time, we are going to be in big trouble.
But despite the challenge, the PNP says it has full confidence in Dr. Campbell.
We are not worried about the independent candidate in the race. We're not worried about any other candidate. We are focused on running our own campaign, and Dayton is running a solid campaign. Remember that they said that no weapon formed against me will prosper. It means that the weapons will form, but they won't prosper. The fact of the matter is that the people of the constituency know that we have put in the work. They know why persons are doing what they're doing, and we're not being distracted by that.
But for the independent Shan and the JLP's Lee, MP Campbell is all talk and no action.
What I'm hearing on the ground from the people is going to put me there. They say it's the first time in over 20 years that I've seen a person come and put their money where their mouth is.
The people of Northwest St. Ann, it has been a constituency that historically, they vote for their voices to be heard. If they believe that they are not being represented well, they have always voted for that, and I can tell you that is a sentiment on the ground. The people are tired of persons sitting in Parliament and not representing them well, doing the work to build the community, and they are ready to go out and make their mark.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.